Let's read the question. तो यहाँ पर direction given है that this question consists of two statements each, printed as statement 1 and statement 2. While answering these questions, you are required to choose any one of the following four responses. Okay. So यहाँ पर statement 1 कह रहा है कि resonance is a special case of force vibration in which the natural frequency of vibration of the body is the same as the applied frequency of external source. Okay. Statement 2 कह रहा है the amplitude of force vibration of a body increases with an increase in the frequency of the externally applied periodic force. Okay. तो यहाँ पर हमें चार ऑप्शन गिवन है. इस क्वेश्चन का जो की कॉन्सेप्ट है, की कॉन्सेप्ट that is concept of forced vibration. Forced vibration. ओके. नाउ हम जानते हैं कि लेट्स से एक मास को हमने स्प्रिंग के साथ अटैच किया, ठीक है, ऑफ मास m and the surface is not frictionless. Okay, so there is friction in the surface. तो क्या होगा कि लेट्स से कि इस ब्लॉक को हमने थोड़ा एक डिस्टेंस डिस्प्लेस करके फिर से छोड़ दिया. सो ये क्या होगा कि दिस विल स्टार्ट ऑसिलेटिंग. ओके. But after some time, this block will stop and reach its initial position because there is energy loss. Energy loss in form of heat energy, light energy. Okay. So क्या होगा कि हम in case of force vibration we apply a external force, that is F external. Okay. And the frequency of the F external is equals to frequency of the natural frequency of the mass, or you can say natural frequency of the vibration. Okay, this is equals to mu natural, and this case is known as resonance. Okay, so resonance is the condition when the frequency of the external force and the frequency of the natural vibration is same, is called resonance. Okay, so statement 1, which is saying resonance is a special case of forced vibration in which natural frequency of the vibration of the body is the applied frequency of external force. तो ये हमारा सही हो गया, right? Because to avoid the damping, we apply F external, and when the frequency of the F external is equals to the natural frequency of the vibration, उस केस को ही हम resonance बोलते हैं, ठीक है. Now statement 2 कह रहा है कि the amplitude of force vibration of a body increases with an increase in the frequency of the externally applied periodic force. Okay, so we know that amplitude of forced vibration is maximum at resonance. Okay, that means when the frequency of the external force is equals to the frequency of the natural frequency, in that case only amplitude of the force vibration is maximum. Okay, now अगर हम इस F external का जो frequency है, frequency of the X external deviates from the natural frequency, तो जितना deviate होगा उतना ही amplitude कम होता रहेगा, ठीक. So more the frequency of the external force deviates from the natural frequency क्या होगा? The amplitude, or you can say more the amplitude of vibration decreases. Okay, that means frequency of the external force जितना deviate होगा उतना ही amplitude decrease करेगा, and amplitude maximum कब होगा? At resonance. Now statement 2 कह रहा है कि the amplitude of the force vibration will increase if we increase the frequency of the external force. Okay, तो ये गलत हो जाएगा क्योंकि ऐसा नेसेसरी नहीं है कि हम फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द एक्सटर्नल फोर्स इंक्रीज करेंगे तो ही amplitude of the force vibration increase होगा. Okay, because it is maximum at resonance and it will decrease if it deviates from the frequency of the external force deviates from the natural frequency. Okay, so statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Okay, so option number D is our correct answer. That statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is correct. Sorry, statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect. Okay, so option number C is our correct answer. Hope you understand. Best of luck.